Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals, and I'm here to memory plan the month of January in my Erin Condren, this is not the right planner, neutral life planner vertical. I use this kit from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so I get a discount for promoting host goodies. I also have these various foil bits and pieces from my shop, as well as lots of washi. So these ones are from Simply Gilded, this one's from Coffee Monsters Co, and this one is from Fox and Cactus. So that's what we're working with. Let me grab the right planner. So here's the correct planner. So there we go, we've got the right planner now. And this is the spread we're working with. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with these pages. I'll either just leave them blank, take them together, or stick like cards and stuff on them, but haven't got that far yet. To start off with, I'm going to put the strips for the cover-ups down. It's my first time in this planner, so I need to work out how they go. Put on my monthly start strips as well as the decorative sidebar. So I'll get all that done and I'll be back with you. Not perfect, but it'll do. I think next time I'll probably put these boxes down first and then use those to like work out where everything should be. But so this covers up this line a little bit, but what are you gonna do? Cool. Redating will happen at the end, so I'm just gonna white out these holidays. The only one of those I care about is New Year's Day, but obviously I'm making it a Monday start, so it's not. New Year's Day was Wednesday, which is now here. So the first thing I always do is mark in like day-long events and stuff, which I'm not actually sure I've pulled out stickers for, but oh well. So the first thing to mark is my sister was here until the 3rd, then my boyfriend went away the 10th to the 11th, and then my mum was away the 15th to the 17th. So yeah. So that's those marked in, and I'm going to use skinny flag for this one and then the two chunkier flags for the other two. As I say, not sure I've actually pulled out stickers for those, so we'll come back to them in a little bit. So that's all the basis of the kit and stuff down. So next is to go in on the day by day. So I've got a little cheat sheet list here. Just going to pop off to one side. So the first, I have 3 things to mark. It was New Year's Day. We went to see my gran, and my brother's car, basically he bought fuel, and the fuel was not diesel, it was 90% water. So his car broke down, which was not ideal really. Not how you want to start your new year, is it particularly? So hopefully the garage are going to cover the costs, because they blooming well should. But it's been a bit of a fight. There we go. Managed to squidge it all in. I probably won't put the number 1 flag on because it says New Year's Day, which means it's the 1st. On the 2nd, we played a game called Rags to Riches, new board game to us, and it was really good. It's apparently won some awards and stuff, so I was fully expecting it to be good. But it was one of my sister's birthday presents from her husband, so we played that. Just got this giant paper Shire girl to mark that. On the 3rd, my granny moved into the house. She's been here nearly 2 months now, and I sorted out my budget, which we'll adjust, so we'll just squidge those in as needed. So that's for my granny, and then that's for sorting out the budget. Nothing on the 3rd, and then on the 4th I had lunch with an old friend who I hadn't seen for a little while. And really we should arrange meeting up again, because we don't see enough of each other really. But life's been a bit hectic with my grandparents here, and one thing and another. To be honest, by the time you're seeing this video, my grandparents will have moved out, but it has been a lot having them here. They are still here at the filming of this video, but I am filming this video dead early. That's to mark lunch with my friend. That's on the wrong day. On the 5th, we had a meeting about rangers at one of the other ranger leaders' house. We've just got a little trefoil there to mark that. And on the 6th, I was doing my 30 day of serve yoga challenge, and on the 6th, it was a really hard workout. So I've just got a little yoga girl to mark that. The 9th was my boyfriend had an exam, and also we went for a date night after his exam, which is a little bit of a theme this month, like exam, interview, date night. Just, you know, celebrate after the stress. I feel like that flag is still not straight despite the fact I moved it twice, but it will do. I'm going to use one of my first half boxes for the date night. Not sure date night really needs a massive box, but I thought it'd be cute, so that's there. On the 11th, I spent most of the day doing my shop accounts, and it was a pain in the bum, in a word. Honestly, Etsy does not have the best system in the world for doing money stuff, and it was getting frustrating. I'm trying to use up some of my random scripts, so I do have a little Etsy script there. I'm actually going to pop in, that's not the right day, I'm going to pop in the date flag on the 11th, just because I think I'm going to end up covering it up a little bit, and I don't want to. Though actually I might, this is where I could do with my tweezers that I haven't pulled out. It's fine, I made it work. So the 12th, I had lunch with mum and dad, and then we went and did a bit of shopping. So I'm going to squeeze these up to the top because I've not got anything for this day, and I would quite like to pop in a full box overlapping these, I think. So I want these at the top so that I don't have to deal with that. So that's there. And that's there for lunch and then going shopping. 13th, there's something important I want to mark that I can't say what it is, but I'm just going to mark it. And also my iPad, I use Procreate to draw and do all my designing, and it for some reason decided it wanted to crash. And it didn't want to work, and I ended up having to delete it, and I lost loads and loads of files, and it was really upsetting. So I need to mark that. I think for the thing I can't talk about, I've just got a heart. It's just not my info to share. Can't talk about it. Simple as. Again, I just popped the date flag in so that I don't cover it up. 17th, we had lots of admissions on the ward, and I think I'm just going to use a normal flag for that, although it is like directly below another flag, but I will. Just got a little cat doctor for that, and again I'm going to pop in my flag. In fact, the flag's going to go over the cat, so it didn't actually matter in the end, but oh well. This day I just got really stressed out. That's all I have to mark. So I've just got a crafty rat like holding his head in his hands being like, "Arr!" On the 20th, my boyfriend had an interview, and we had a date night afterwards. As I said, that is a little bit of a theme running through this. So for the interview, I've just got a foiled stethoscope, and then for our date night I'm just going to pop these like on top of the washi strip. I think that'll look really cute. At least it will if I can get that straight. When I eventually get in a position that I'm happy with. On the 21st, I got frustrated at something at work. Simple as. I'm just going to mark that in. '24th, my boyfriend got his results for his exam that had sat earlier in the month on the 9th. And also we did have a bit of a disagreement, basically, but then like as soon as we realised the other one was upset, he hadn't told me about his results, and I was really angry because I'd been worried sick about him, but then he'd had a rubbish day at work. So as soon as we actually genuinely realised the other was actually upset, we both were like, no. because we're great. Just saying, we're great. So I've got this because that was pretty much a summary of one of us getting upset and then being like, nope, nope, nope. 24th, me and my boyfriend went and met with some friends from uni, and then we did an escape room and we beat their best ever time. So I've got a half big box to mark the day with friends, and then for the escape room I'm just going to use a flag which I think will fit perfectly there. Excellent. So we've got that marked in, nothing there, so on to the last week. Work was busy on the 26th, and then we took the guides to the trampoline park in the evening. So I think I might just use my last like skinny flag for the trampoline for work being busy. And actually, if I pull it all the way across like that, there we go, because this will cover that up. And then I've just got a sweating girl for that. On the 28th, I got myself a cheeky McDonald's. I don't know why I felt the need to mark that, but I very rarely get McDonald's, so I think it just was like, oh, cheeky McDonald's, what am I doing? I think I wasn't going to put it at the bottom because it's like right next to another purple box, but I think it's fine. On the 29th, we had a really long meeting about, I'm outdoor activity advisor for the county, and we had a long meeting about our campsite 50th birthday celebrations. And then last but not least, 31st was Brexit Day. My heart, I can't cope. And also I had a day doing like clinical scenario stuff. It was like a teaching day. So gonna just mark those in. I've got a sad emoji for Brexit Day because that is pretty much how I felt about Brexit and continue to feel about Brexit. Felt and continue to feel. God, words are so hard. I don't want that at that side. Hold please. So that is all the various events and things. Next we've got the full box cover-ups to fill in. So there are 6, and let's just see what will fit where. Oh, so these are actually like individual washi strips. So I'm just gonna like use them as decoration like I will with my actual washi, but I think I'm gonna do this last. Sorry, that's that washi strip up there. I've got more left than usual. I don't really know why, but I do. So I'm gonna pull in various bits of washi now. I'm gonna start off with the 3 I've already used. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna shove washi in. Love it. Next I'm gonna write everything in, I think, and then I'm gonna put in some foil overlays and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna write everything in first. And I'm gonna use this Uni Pin fine line pen. So I've written everything in now, and I'm just adding extra bits of foil to the spread just to, you know, brighten things up a little bit, because who doesn't love extra foil? I tell you, in my wallet. So that's all of that in. I think I'm gonna throw in some of these foil overlays as well. I'm just gonna like cut them up and use them as I see fit. There we go. So lots and lots of added foil for the new year. The holo doesn't video very well, I don't think, but it is beautiful in person. You can kind of see the other colours bouncing off of it rather than like the foil itself. So yeah, that is the finished spread. So left in the kit we've got two of the these cover-ups, the holidays because I don't use them, one appointment label, the Sunday start strips, all the build dues, lots of icons, all the icons actually, the functional sidebar and headers, and 2 strips of washi which I might try and pull in now quickly, and that will be everything. Then of the stuff I've pulled out, I've not used any of those, and I've used quite a lot of the holo stars. So that is all I have for you. Let's just run through where everything is from. The kit is from Plannerface. I do get a discount for promoting her goodies, but that does mean you can save 10% at Plannerface by using Tilly10. The foil is all, the overlays are all mine. The washi is simply gilded, except this one which is Coffee Monsters Co, and this one which is Fox and Cactus. So looking a bit closer, this is mine but won't ever be in the shop. This is Diamond Print Designs. I don't know where that date night's from, but this is my custom from Coffee Monsters Co. This is Whimsical Cat Studio. This is Fox and Cactus, Laura Jane Style, Once More With Love, Philo Fabulous, Chelsea Paper Co, Little Thought Store. Oh, I haven't pulled out these. I'll do that in a sec. Handcrafted by Cherie, Fox and Cactus, mine, Crafty Rat Designs, Mimi's, something, planning Mimi's, don't know. Fox and Cactus, Papershire. On this page, don't know where that's from. Coffee Monsters Co, mine but won't ever be in the shop. Fox and Cactus, Fox and Cactus, Fox and Cactus, Once More With Love, don't remember. Fox and Cactus, Crafty Rat Designs for both of those. That's Tamashi. Sorry, that's Tamashi Prints. Once More With Love and Coffee Monsters Co, collab, Once More With Love, Fox and Cactus, and that is everything. So let me just pull out those 3 stickers. So I've got this for my mum being away, which is there. I've got this for my sister being here, which is from By Gem Designs, and I've got this for my boyfriend being away, which is from Paper Chick Plans. There we go, so that is everything. One last foil wiggle before I go. Let me know down below what you think of the new planner format and whether you've worked out where everything goes yet, because I clearly haven't. Hopefully by the end of the planner I will have done. So yeah, thanks for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!